So I was looking around my Minecraft world the other day and I came to the conclusion that I really need to clean some of this stuff up. This rail for example has been here for so long and it literally leads to to nowhere, I think. Yeah, like it leads to this iron farm which I don't even use anymore. And then also stuff like this, like random pieces of snow, random boxes everywhere, just stuff that makes my world look ugly. I think I'm gonna spend some time to take care of. Well, the first order of business is going to be getting all of these random little holes everywhere fixed. And so we bring with us a lot of... Hold up, let me go clean my inventory. Alright, so as I was saying, we bring this dirt with us and our shovel. And the idea is basically just to go around and break anything sticking up and fill in all of these little holes here. So I think I'm gonna do that. Alright, now I've spent some time taking care of this, and now I've just figured out that this cobblestone farm doesn't actually work, so instead of fixing it, I'm just gonna remove it because I don't really feel like I need this cobblestone farm anymore. Alright, so unfortunately my replay mod didn't work, but I have the entire thing broken down. But unfortunately I did not have the energy to remove this, so I just left that down here under the ground. But I don't think that's gonna be any massive problems. Now I think what I'm gonna work on is probably smoothing out, like still there's some like ugly pieces here. And I don't really like how this looks, so I might remove this and move the villagers somewhere else, because I think all of the villagers are zombies actually. That's not very good. That's not supposed to be that way, but I'm gonna have to heal those, and then I'll probably create a new room for them to live in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So yeah, we'll see what I come up with. Alright, now that that's done, I have decided that I'm gonna be making the interior of sandstone or sandstone kind of palette. But before any of that, I need to fly and mend my elytra. Alright, I've brought with me some wood for contrast, and I have all my sand here. So I'm gonna carve out some more in these walls, and then I'm gonna see if I can come up with some good design, which is probably gonna be hard because I'm not that great of a builder. Alright, so I do not really like how this is turning out, but I don't have the building skills to do anything about it, so I'm going to have to go with the flow and hope that I somehow figure something out to make this look better, because this can be very dull if it stays like this. Alright, I have finished my interior designing. It did turn out better than I thought it would, but I still don't really like how this turned out. I feel like it's very single colored. But it'll have to do for now. I might fix it up in the future. Alright, I've just started healing these guys. I just need to make one more weakness potion, unless I can find one, so that I can heal this guy. Then I'm gonna start moving the villagers into here. So it's gonna go very well, I think. Alright, so for moving the villagers, I have a very simple way of doing it, because I actually have a mod that just lets me pick up the villagers. And place them down in another spot, so... Oops. So yeah, moving them is gonna be very quick. Right, there we go. Perfect. And then I'm just gonna put some signs up here, I think, to let me know. Oh, I don't have any wood. Be right back. Oops. Alrighty. And there we go. The villagers are done in their new home. Now I just have to remove the old one, which is gonna be boring. Alright, now that oh, I forgot a part. But now that is gone, I think that what we've done in this video has changed. Like, even if we did like almost nothing, it has really fixed this part of the world. I think it looks a lot better now. It doesn't look as cluttered. I think I'm gonna be removing that next video, or well, next video I'm just gonna be doing, about the same thing. Maybe remove some old farms and try to maybe get build houses around here. That's a good idea. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. And if you enjoyed, I would really appreciate it if you guys liked and subscribed the video. Like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day and see you.